Hello everyone, so today we're going to install the SQL Server 2019 version onto my computer. So I'm going to go to Microsoft SQL Server 2019 download, and I'm going to the SQL Server downloads link here. I'm going to install the developer version, and you can see the .exe file that's downloaded. I'm going to open it up and say click on yes, and I'm going to install the basic version. Scroll this down, say accept, and this is the location that it's going to install. I'll leave it as default and say install. This is going to take a couple of minutes to get installed. Okay, looks like it got installed. It says installation completed successfully. And then I want to install SSMS as well. I'm going to scroll down and click on free download of SQL Server Management Studio. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to install the SSMS here. Open. And say yes. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio, and it's going to install at this particular location. I'm going to click install. I'm gonna close this window here. Right now. Close. Yes. And here the SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio setup completed. I'm gonna close this also. And then go to my search and say SSMS and click on enter. And there we go. We got our SSMS, and this is the server that we name, the server name that I have, and then I'll go to the new query window and check the version. Select add version. That shows that we have installed the SQL Server 2019 version. So that's about it, how you install the SQL Server 2019 along with the SSMS. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.